Hey, welcome back. So I went ahead and painted all these parts that we cut out the other day, and I'm going to show you how I put them together. Try to finish up this planter box. So this is the body of the gnome. Got the hat, the beard, pink nose, and purple arms, and a little support piece. So I'm using 1" brad nails. So what I do is I take this plain piece of wood, put it in the middle, and secure it down. And that's where the hat goes. Then I kind of place the arms right below that. And the beard butts up to the hat. I kind of, there's no right or wrong place to put this, the hat. I just kind of put the arms where I think they look right, under the beard. And once I got that in place, check the sides so they kind of got the same overhang. And I go ahead and put a couple nails in the hat. Take the beard off. Hold the arms. Couple nails there. Put the beard back in. That beard goes right to the same support piece the hat went in. The good thing about it is the nose covers all the brad nails, so you're only going to have about 2 showing in the nose. And you fill them up with putty. And here you go. And here's the one I did earlier. So, next step is to attach these to the box. I already measured out where I wanted them at. I'm going to bring these in about 3 inches from the sides. I already made my little mark. I'll put this one in first. And I'll get this one in. Then you have two 2x4s, cut 8 inches long. They're going to go together right underneath each side. That are going to be the feet. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with them when I come back. Got an idea for them. Just came up with. I'll be back after a bit. Well, like all my projects, they never come out like I want them to. So I did a little Jethro Bodine ciphering. I had to do some modification. So far, this is what I got. Coming down the last steps, got the feet made. I'm going to secure them. I ended up making them about 10 inches long. Brought them in about 2 1/8 inches from the side, both sides. Now I'm going to put some screws in there. Secure them down. Using about 1 1/4 inch screws. Countersinking them. 2 more. There you have it. Pretty well done. I did end up putting some screws in the back side of the body instead of just the nails, because I thought, well, it gets a little windy, might not be so secure. So here, I'll show you an up-close picture of the feet. All right, there is the finished product. What do you guys think? Here's the feet. Turned out pretty good on the laser engraver. Don't know for sure if I like them or not, but I figured, what the heck, I'll try it that way. So it's 24 inches long, 5.5 inches deep, 5.5 inches wide approximately. And on the back, put the extra screws on for support. I used what colors I had on hand. Don't know if I like them, but they're okay for the first project. So like, share, comment, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and I'll see if I can improve from there. But good thing is, I got all the fingers. It's a good day. This has been the Grumpy Gopher. See you next time. Thanks for watching.